Sri Lanka is a fascinating island country in the Indian Ocean with spectacular beaches, rich wildlife and a remarkable history. Beyond its flavorful food, welcoming people and timeless beauty, Sri Lanka is also one of the healthiest populations in the world, with a robust life expectancy of 78 years, 10% higher than the world average, and a literacy rate of 92.5%, one of the best among developing countries. All these could not have been achieved without the concerted efforts of consecutive governments to make Sri Lanka a healthy and happy nation. In the year 2017, Pharma Associates, a topmost pharma group of Sri Lanka, and the New Pharmacy Holdings of Sri Lanka established Celogen Srilanka in collaboration with Bayan Healthcare of India, a pharmaceutical trader based out of Ahmedabad, and Celogen Group, a pharmaceutical enterprise established by Mr. Liu Ge-shin and his outstanding team in 1996, a competent and highly efficient management team and a wise and far-sighted leader, as well as hard work and selfless dedication of Celogen staff. Amidst the challenge of deciding Celogen's future and fate, Celogen employees have lived up to the expectations and have worked very hard, setting a good example for China's national industry. Because of the particularities of surrounding logistics in the industry of IV solutions, the subsidiaries of Celogen are distributed over the 10 provinces, and all of them are locally servicing as key enterprises and large tax players. Pharma Associates, established in 1990, is amongst the top 10 largest pharmaceutical importers in Sri Lanka, with their own fully fledged distribution network, marketing and sales force, and warehouse capabilities. Along with these 4 great collaborators, Celogen Srilanka is also backed by some of the great visionaries from the industry, such as Honorable Chairman Mr. Nadaraja Venkatasalam, with 4 decades of experience in pharmaceutical import and supply, logistics, regulatory, marketing and sales. He is one of the most influential figures in the Sri Lankan pharmaceutical industry.
At Celogen Srilanka, we seek to touch lives every day by providing high-quality healthcare at an affordable price point. This, we believe, will enrich the lives of our customers, their families and communities, and preserve Earth's most precious resource, that is human lives. We have also initiated the process to obtain the coveted EU GMP certification, thereby becoming one of the first few facilities in Sri Lanka to be EU GMP certified. This will set us up to enter any international market with ease and help us achieve our goal to become one of the leading and most admired companies in the global generic market.
Our technical director, Mr. Hariram Goel, has over 26 years of experience in formulation and is well versed with international GMP guidelines. He also holds many international and Indian patents for drug delivery systems, production processes and injectable doses.
Celogen Srilanka Private Limited has been granted WHO GMP certificate. It is complying Schedule M, which ensures good manufacturing practices, and there is no mix-ups of man, material and air. Our manufacturing facility, machinery is of international standards, which ensures the quality production of pharmaceuticals required for nation. We are having a SAP system which generates quality documentation as per ISO guidelines. We are strictly following EU guidelines, which ensures only quality productions of medicines required for the nation. It is the vision of Celogen to produce quality medicines and to serve the nations with affordable prices.
Situated at the industrial park in Palekele, Kandy, Sri Lanka, Celogen Lanka Private Limited has a sprawling manufacturing campus of around 81,400 square feet. Celogen Lanka Private Limited was established with a vision of making Sri Lanka a competitive player in the global pharmaceutical industry. At Celogen Lanka, we also aim to revolutionize the local pharmaceutical industry in terms of standards, technology, and manufacturing capabilities. We have a fully equipped laboratory with HPLCs, ICP, UV spectrometer, gas chromatography, giving us the strength in testing and maintaining the quality standards of our products. In addition, Celogen Lanka's promise is to provide high-quality, affordable drugs and, as a result, reduce the foreign exchange spent on pharmaceuticals and make Sri Lanka self-sustainable in pharmaceuticals. It will also generate opportunities for talented and qualified Sri Lankans. At present, Sri Lanka imports more than $1 billion of pharmaceuticals. Celogen Lanka aims to manufacture a major portion of this domestically. We have captive production capacity of 750 metric ton per annum. Currently, we have 25 vital products in our portfolio, with over 40 products in our 2019 pipeline and over 60 more products in our 2020 pipeline. Currently, Celogen Lanka supplies its products to the State Pharmaceutical Manufacturing Corporation, and our products are distributed to government hospitals and clinics in the entire country. We also undertake manufacturing contracts for many private brands. With 2 billion annual manufacturing capacities of oral solid dosages, Celogen Lanka is currently having one of the largest pharmaceutical manufacturing facilities in Sri Lanka. Our machines are high-grade stainless steel, high-definition multimedia interface controlled, automatic process machines running with the least requirement of human intervention. In addition, our machines are fitted with inspection cameras, de-dusters, metal detectors, and weight checkers to ensure all the parameters are followed strictly. All air entries and exits for our machines are fitted with HEPA filters. Highly purified and regularly tested water is used to make sure absolutely no contaminations take place, and the highest purity of the medicine is maintained. Celogen Lanka's Quality Assurance Department is built up of highly qualified and experienced individuals to set the quality standards and ensure that it is also followed in the strictest terms. Celogen Lanka has been currently awarded the WHO GMP certificate and also been given clearance by the Sri Lankan National Medicines Regulatory Authority. At Celogen, our vision is to become the leading pharmaceutical player in the industry and to become a global healthcare organization. Celogen has also initiated the process to receive the EU GMP certification, thereby becoming one of the very few companies in Sri Lanka with EU GMP. Celogen Lanka in the pharmaceutical industry is intended to be the pride of Sri Lanka and will open the doors for Sri Lanka's future of the pharmaceutical industry. At Celogen Lanka, we seek to touch lives of millions of Sri Lankans every day. Celogen, caring every life for generations.